Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use eBay for online auctions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the eBay website. Create an account by clicking on register. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Confirm your account through the verification email eBay sends you. Once logged in, explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the layout. Use the search bar to find items you're interested in bidding on. Filter search results by category, price, and auction format to suit your needs. Click on an item to view its details, including photos, description, and seller information. Take note of the auction's start and end time to ensure you don't miss bidding. Review the seller's ratings and feedback for credibility. Place a bid by entering your maximum bid in the designated box. Understand that eBay uses proxy bidding, which means you may not have to pay your maximum. Monitor the auction as it progresses to see if you need to adjust your bid. If outbid, you'll receive a notification via email. Consider setting a bidding limit for yourself to avoid overspending. When the auction ends, you'll receive a notification if you've won. Follow the checkout process to pay for the item promptly. Review the seller's shipping policies and estimated delivery times. If you win the auction, be sure to check the seller's instructions for payment and shipping. Finally, leave feedback for the seller to help future buyers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.